Okay, this is my radio. This is a Mercedes CLK of the year 2002. And what do you need to connect this MP3 player? This is the one. I don't know if you can see the brand, but how connect this to this radio, which is the Audio 30, I think. Okay, you need only an MP3 player and an audio cable. This has, I think, 1.5 meters. And the idea is to connect this to this. This is the auxiliary in, which is connected to the radio, and I'm going to put this cable from here. The idea is put the MP3 player here and connect to this cable and hide this cable between this plastic here, all the way here, and here. I don't know if you can see, I have already a cable which is here, as you see, and the cable will connect here. Okay, here. I think there is. The only thing is that this cable will be visible when you open the glove box, but when you close, everything is nice and you don't see any cable because it is hid between this surface and here. Is always nobody see the cable, and I'm going to show you how this works. As you see, this is already connected. This is the cable here, comes out of here, and okay, that's not perfect, but if you want to hide this, to nobody sees, it's simple as this. You hide the cable between this seat and this part here, and nobody see until, of course, only in this angle you will see, but is always clean. And if you want the MP3 player, you just have to pick your hand here and make this, and it's done. Simple, and it works. Okay, now to put this on, you have to click this button here for 3 seconds. Okay, it's already open. The button is here. This is a play and pause. And come here to the radio and click on System and choose this auxiliary audio source, and it's ready. Play, and that's it. If you want to change the track music, the only thing that you want to make is this: click forward, backwards, everything is here, and you don't even have to push the buttons in the radio. It's always here, everything is here. You just have to press this button, nothing more. And the audio button in the wheel will work also. And that's it. Very practical, cheap, and it works. You don't need anything more. You don't need. You can also connect here an iPod, for instance, or your iPhone, if it has the headphones connection. Now I have this MP3 player, which is very cheap. This costs, I think, 20 euros, more or less. It has 4 gigabytes of capacity, and it works fine because I can program this button to turn off the MP3 player 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 1 minute after I pause the music, which is very practical when you get off the car. For instance, now it's playing the music. To shut it off, the only thing that you have to do is pause the music, and that's it. And wait 10 seconds, 20 seconds, what you want, and he turn it off. You have to simply turn the key off and everything is off. Very practical, this MP3 player. That's what I love it. Okay, or now disconnect, turn off automatically. Okay.